Hey friends, it's Jana with the Kendra's Card Challenge design team, and welcome to another KCC 20 giveaway hop. This one featuring the mystery card kits from Cards by Kendra. All right, let's get into it. This hop is featuring mystery card kits or mystery card sampler kits from Cards by Kendra. Now, if you're not familiar, Kendra's Card Challenge is a quarterly challenge where you can download a free PDF that has the cutting guides to cut down 6x6 sheets of pattern paper into 15 unique and amazing designs. Today we are working with sketch number 9 and 10. So I have a card sampler kit, which is enough to make 1 or 2 cards, a couple. It's just a sampler. And then let me show you everything that comes in this. And the one way to know what's in your kit is on the front of the little envelope, there is a QR code. Scan that with your phone and it'll open up a document which lists everything that's included in that kit. It's amazing all the work that Kendra puts into these kits. So there's the QR code. Here's the one for this one. Now this is a mystery card kit. It's not the sampler. So this is enough to actually make all 15 cards. There are 6 sheets of double-sided paper. There's tons of ephemera, and then also some card bases or your layering bases as well. Look at these designs. Aren't they fantastic? So we are actually going to make 4 cards today. We're going to do 2 with the sampler and 2 with the card kit. Now on one of the pages in your free PDF that you can download at kendrascardchallenges.com is a little chart that shows you that if you are part of the All Access tier, you will receive a mystery card kit sampler. Now, if you are part of the VIP tier, you will receive the full monthly card kit. So we're going to start with sketch number 10. And all of you, the other thing that's nice is that not only do you get the cutting guide for all to cut down your 6x6 sheets of pattern paper. That's really a tongue twister for me. But each card sketch, individual sketch, has the cutting guide on there as well. So if you have, like, say, the sampler and you're just making 1 or 2 cards, you have all your cutting dimensions right there. So this sketch number 10 is really fun, and I thought it would be perfect for this pack of paper that I got, all these little Christmas ones, because it just kind of showcases little snippets of each paper. So we're going to get that all cut down, and I'm going to let it roll while I tell you a little bit more about Kendra's Card Challenge. So there are some amazing prizes that are available quarterly as well as monthly. There's a color challenge, there's sketch challenges, so many options. Make sure you check out the description box below and check out the Facebook group. Lots of information there, lots of inspiration. Then, once you complete all 15 of your cards, take a picture with all of them in one photo. You can also use like a collage app, and just make sure that when you upload them to the InLinks party that it's just one photo that includes all 15 of your cards. However you get all 15 of them in there, that's up to you. So, but if you want to be in the showcase, you will need to upload that photo to the Facebook group. Kendra pulls the showcase photos from the Facebook group and the winners from the InLinks party. It just works out super easy for her to do it that way. And the InLinks party I know that it says that you have to have a link, but you can actually just upload a photo. Easy peasy. So let's check back and see how I'm doing with these cards. We've already got one layout done. And you can just lay these out however you want. They're just kind of, wonky donky on there. Nothing particular. It's six squares, and you can arrange them however you would like. That's the other nice thing about the card challenge, is that the card sketches are an inspiration point. They're a jumping off point to get you started, and kind of, spur on your creativity. I mean, you do need to kind of follow them, so that we can say, oh yeah, that's sketch number 10. Not completely change it up to where the sketch itself is not recognizable. But you know what I mean. So I'm just trimming down those little edges that are hanging off, and look at there. We've already got 2 cards done. Well, I need to put them on bases and add their little sentiments. But you know what? The sentiments were already included in my little kit. I just need to glue them down. I love that about the kits. And I have been getting the kits for quite a while. I love them, and even the pieces that I don't use, I go back and use. And the stamp sets are fantastic. It's so fun. And I love that, you know what? It's a mystery. You never know, what you're going to get. And Kendra, I can't believe all the work that she puts into putting those kits together, putting the sampler kits together. You also get a, like a handwritten card from Kendra each month included with your kit, which I love because I feel like it's she made those. It's a little part of Kendra that arrives in my mailbox. But so yeah, there we go. 2 cards done. Lickety split. And I'm trying to think, do I want the enamel dots? I don't. So this is all that is left over, even from the sampler kit, after making 2 cards. They were the same sketch, but just 2 variations. So sketch number 9 is another super quick one, but a really fun way to show off your double-sided paper. So I picked 2, and I've already got them cut down, and I picked the card bases, and all of this is from the mystery kit, except for the white base that I put my card on. Now, I probably spent a little bit too much time trying to figure out how to do this corner, when in reality, it really doesn't matter. It just needs to fold over, and it shows off the other side. But then I finally, I just take a piece of paper so that I can kind of visualize where I need to score. And for me, that was a lot easier. And I love that blue on the other side of those little mittens. This paper is so fun. So this hop, it is a giveaway hop, like I mentioned in the very, very, very beginning. But what you want to do is check out the description box below, and you will find a playlist and a giveaway form. So fill out your form, click play all on that playlist, hop along and check out the rest of the design team, because not all of the kits are the same, and not everybody is going to be doing the same sketches. So you will have tons of inspiration. And then you can fill out that form at each stop along the hop for even more chances to win. So how cool is that? So let me know if you've been playing along. Do you have a favorite sketch so far? I'm going to laugh here for a second because I really thought that these were stickers. They might be, but I glued them down anyway because I don't have any fingernails and I couldn't find my pokey tool to try and peel it off. So we're just going to go with that. But anyway, as I was saying, do you have a favorite sketch so far? I thought that let me look at my little chart. I think it was number 3 was my favorite. And I like number 3, but I really like number 1. It kind of reminds me of a patchwork quilt. And I thought that was pretty cool. So even my sentiments on this are from the little ephemera like sticker packs. And I could have zhuzhed these up a whole lot more, added more layers and, sparkles and all of that. But keeping them relatively flat, they will be easy to mail. So I'm just going to pick out one more sentiment. The other one up on top with all the little winter scene, it says, "Baby, it's cold outside." This one says, if I quit moving it around, "Wonderful winter." But those mittens are so cute. So I just snip off those little ends there, and then we're going to get those onto our card base. And look at that, 4 cards done. And I do have this sped up just a little bit because otherwise it's just me, cutting and gluing, and it doesn't need to take 20 minutes. So but I also, had dogs that were interrupting and all of that. So do y'all have a furry crafting partner that hangs out with you? I have a little dog named Abner. Let me know in the comments if you have a pet that likes to hang out with you in your craft room. Look at there. That is all that is left over. I have plenty to make so many more cards with that. Oh, got to put that in there so I know where it came from. And there we go. There's our 2 kits and our 4 cards. Thank you so much for hopping along. I'd like to thank our super sponsors. Have a fantastic day.